Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome back to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to install a new thermostat. Now, there are a few different types of thermostats available, and your model might look a little bit different, so always read the manual. To begin, you might need a screwdriver, some tape, a level, a drill bit, and drywall anchors. First, disconnect the power. Go to the breaker panel and turn off the power to the furnace and air conditioner. Now remove the thermostat cover. Look at the old wires and note which wire is going to each terminal. It's the letters that are important, not the color of the wire. You can take a picture with your phone or use some tape to label each wire. Use a screwdriver and loosen the screws and remove the wires. Now unscrew and remove the old base plate. Next, tape the wires to the wall, and this will prevent the wires from falling back into the hole. Take the new base plate and check the alignment. If the mounting holes don't match up, you'll have to level and trace the position of the new holes. Now drill the holes and insert the drywall anchors. Next, feed the wires through the opening and screw in the new base plate. Match each wire letter to the correct terminal. It's best to read your thermostat manual as there can be a few differences between models. Now snap on the cover. Next, reconnect the power. Finally, follow the instructions in the manual to set up and initiate the thermostat. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.